What's up, Nova Nation? It is officially my birthday week and it's time to buzz down on some shopping. I am ready to spend this entire month just loving on myself, but specifically this week. So there's quite a few items on my birthday wish list, but mainly some new bags, some new purses. Your girl hasn't bought a new purse in like years. And so I feel like while we're in this season of self-care, self-love, just pouring into ourselves, why not just treat myself and replenish some of the things that I feel like I've lost over the years, including my purses, maybe some sandals, some shoes, just refresh some of those items, reclaim my style, and reclaim my time. All right, our first stop on our purse hunt is Dillard's. Now, I haven't treated myself in a while, so it's been some time since I've been purse shopping per se. Now, on my way back from getting my Wicked items, I did see that they had a Coach collection, which led me to come back and see what they had. Immediately when I walked in, I was greeted by the Brooklyn purse. I also saw all the tabbies. They were doing some construction, so I decided to just skip out and give them some space and maybe hit up a different spot. I then went back to the house and decided to open up some gifts that my friends purchased for me. Now, they purchased these earlier on. I've been practicing delayed gratification where I could have opened these a lot sooner, but I decided to wait exactly at the right time to open them up and enjoy them. So my friends got me a pink Versace robe and matching slippers. Pink is my absolute favorite color and Versace is my favorite brand at the moment. So this is definitely Vana coded, definitely made for me. The gold accents just make the whole entire thing pop. I'm absolutely in love. I just couldn't wait to even put it on. I put it on immediately and I've been strutting it around the house since. Thank you so much to my friends. I love and appreciate you all. This is definitely one of the best gifts ever. So I went to bed a little bit early in anticipation of going out again for day 2 of purse hunting. It is my birthday week, so of course it's important that I pour into myself. This isn't something I would usually do around this time, but this year I'm making it a point to do exactly that. So on my way to my lash appointment, I decided to go ahead and do some searching for some items in the car, which is what you'll see in the next clip. All right, beautiful people. So I am still on the hunt for my purses. I went to the Coach outlet. I went to Dillard's over the course of 2 days, and I think today's gonna be the day that I find my purses. I actually decided that I was gonna sleep on the purchase because I did find the purses yesterday at the Coach outlet, but I was like, I need to look into some other bags because they have some crazy Black Friday deals, but the real deals, you gotta kind of like research them, like, because you could stack deals, especially when it's your birthday. So it's Black Friday, there's like those hidden gems, and I get a birthday discount as well. So it's like 3 things to kind of look for. So now I'm kind of looking for the Rowan. Before I was looking at Lana, I was looking at the tabby with the quilted tabby and the regular, like the hard tabby, and I looked at the Brooklyn and all that stuff. But I realized through the process of elimination, I really want purses that are like, you know, leather on the outside and leather on the inside as well. I realized, because I have a Coach purse already, I realized that it's easier to keep clean when it's like that, and then the size matters too. So I was picky about the actual sizing of the actual purses. So I love the size of the Lana. Super cute, super perfect. I love the sizing of the Rowan from what I've seen. I've seen the Lana purse, I haven't seen the Rowan. So I think I'm gonna go to the actual Coach store and see what I could find, but I don't know if they'll have, oh, is she calling me? Hold on. Is that my lash girl might be calling me? Oh, she's telling me to come. So it's day 2 and we've officially made it to the Coach outlet store. This is actually my second time coming to this outlet store in the past 2 days. I went last night just so I can get an idea of what I wanted. I'm one of those type of people, I need time to kind of figure out what exactly I want. I'm so intentional about my purchases, and in this case it's no different. So I'm loving the mini bags, but I didn't get a mini bag this time around. I ended up getting a few planner items, and I loved the display of the planners and the bears and everything. I really wanted a bear, but I had to focus. I got some accessories. I got the notebook case. I got pencil cases. I can't wait to show you everything I received. I'll have a vlog coming out tomorrow with all of my birthday items and a huge birthday haul showing me opening all my gifts. Let me tell you, I got so many items that they had to bring a second sales associate with a bag to kind of fill up the bags with all the items I was getting. Listen, when I tell tell you that this sale was selling, I was able to do exactly what I thought I was going to do. I was able to stack my birthday, Black Friday, and a lot of the markdowns together in combination so that I really got a good sale price. Now I want to show you guys the Rowan collection because that's currently what I'm feeling. That's the vibe I'm on. It's like a barrel shaped bag. Absolutely beautiful. They even have charms, which I didn't purchase from in store. I bought some online, but I'm thinking that I do want some of the signature Coach ones, so I'm gonna check that out. I'm going to have all those details and all that information available in tomorrow's vlog. So if you enjoyed doing a quick shop with me, please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up so I know to make more videos just like it. And if you enjoyed it here, consider subscribing so you won't miss a thing. I will see you in the next video. Bye.